Dear students, now let us come to the concept role of business and commerce in economic development. Role of economic development, ED. Role of business, business and commerce in economic development. There is a close link between economic development and business, economic development and commerce. Now, role of business, part of business and commerce. Why? On economic development. What is the relation between economic development and business and commerce? Yes. Now here, while discussing this concept, there are certain factors we have to understand. First one is trade. Second one is advertisement. Then insurance companies, then banks, then warehouses, then commerce. These are the 6 factors: trade, advertisement, commerce, insurance, banks and warehouses. We should understand. Now, what is a trade? You already know, trade means it is a process of buying and selling of goods. What is good means? Goods means commodity, thing or things. Trade is a process of buying and selling of goods. It is called trade. Traders supply, merchants, traders, they supply goods for consumers for our day-to-day life or for our daily needs. Sometimes they provide some services also. They sell goods and sometimes they give what? Service. Save. Which service? For example, if you go to a shop to purchase hammam soap, in that shop that soap is or hammam soap is not there. Then the owner of the shop, he tells with you about other soaps. For example, Medimix. It is good. It is very nice. It is equal to hammam soap. Therefore, sir, please purchase which is soap instead of hammam. You have to purchase this Medimix. If we want Kannandevan tea powder, but in that shop that powder is not available, then he gives a certain idea about another tea, Taj tea or Tata tea or Devagiri tea. This is his service to his consumers. Therefore, trade means buying and selling of goods for our daily needs, and sometimes these traders also give some services to the consumers. Now, what is commerce? We already know that it is also a process. It includes trade and commerce include trade and aids to trade, or auxiliaries to trade. Yes, commerce means it is a process of trade and aids to trade. What is aid means here? Aid means helping elements, helping factors. That is called commerce. Commerce means it is a process of trade and aids to trade These aids to trade include various factors. Which are the aids? Which are the helping elements to trade? For example, transportation. Then storage facilities. Storage facility. Then advertisement, rules of government, insurance companies. These are the helping elements to trade. Thus, aids to trade means these things. It will give help to the trader or to a trader. Now, transport. For the smooth distribution or exchange of goods and services, transportation is very, very important. Without roads, without vehicles, there will be no trade or commerce. Therefore, transportation is very essential in commerce. Then banks. Another one, second one, banks. What is the use of banks in commerce? The banks give financial help to the trader. While starting a business shop, government gives financial aid in the form of loans, and also it gives subsidies, etc. Thus, transport, banks, and also government at the time of transit or storage, goods are exposed to damage or loss. Government is also there, but during the time of storage or while transit goods, transit means transportation or transporting goods, sometimes the goods will damage. When insurance companies give assurance to the traders, instead of that damaged one, they will give new products or they will give compensation. Who gave? Insurance companies. Then what about advertisement? Advertisement gives information about present new goods. Present means modern new goods. Who gave knowledge? Advertisement in TV, through your mobile, through newspaper. They will propagate their items to the public. Why? To make profit, to sell their goods. That is advertisement. Then insurance companies are also there. Why? To give compensation. When you are in loss due to this damage or during the time of storage, the insurance companies compensate or it give its aid, help to the trader. Thus, these insurance companies cover your loss. Your means traders. Cover your or cover traders' loss. Therefore, there is no fear of a loss. Who is there? Insurance companies are there. Next, warehouses. What is warehouses? Means godowns. In the previous class, we studied about, due to the geographical discoveries and industrial revolution, the extent of market is very vast. Due to MNC, multinational companies. Therefore, as a result of this, goods are produced in a larger and larger quantity. Therefore, that goods should sell in both inside the country and outside the country. Sometimes we have to store some goods or commodities or some items. To store, we want, or traders want, a newly full-fledged store room having modern facilities. But we can store certain things for a long period of time, but we can't store certain fruits and vegetables for a long time. It will decay immediately. Therefore, during the time of storage, the companies give compensation to you. Thus, commerce helps to the total use of commerce in our economic development. It helps to industries. These factors are very important in business and commerce. Both factors are help to our economic development or development of a country. For example, India is a developing country. Yes. Thus, what is the contribution of commerce to economic development? Commerce helps to improve or helps to industries, helps to establish new industries. First point. Second point, it makes different parts of the world closer due to multinational companies. It makes different parts of the world closer. Due to industrial revolution and geographical discoveries, now the whole world is very small globe. The distance of the world is minimized. Third one, it helps trade. It helps trade. How? Foreigners also, they demand our goods. Indians demand foreign goods. Then it is very helpful to equalize prices. Throughout the world, a price of a certain mobile phone or a car, it is one and same. In India, the cost of car, for example, duster, the cost of that car is, for example, how many lakhs? 26 or 62 lakhs. If you crores, if you purchase the same in America, the cost is also same. Why? Because of the influence of MNCs. Then it also blends the culture and ideas. Commerce, international trade or trade with foreign countries, it blends, joins foreign cultures. We imitate or follow the food system of foreigners, dress pattern of foreigners. In the same way, foreigners may like our food habit or dress code, etc. It helps the government means it gives scope to the government or power to government to improve its condition. How? Due to trade and commerce, government will get different types of incomes through taxes, duties, stamp duties, etc. These are all the sources of government. Through this, economic development is possible through governments. Then it helps national income and international integration. It helps national integration. The trade or commerce among the countries, it paves the way for national integration and also international integration. What is integration? Means feeling of oneness. We are all one. Such feelings are there when, if we make trade or business or commerce, or if we engage in commerce or business throughout the world. Thus, it paves the way for national integration and also international integration. It helps the government through paying taxes, duties. Taxes means, you know, tax. What is duty means? Duties. Duties means stamp duty. Duties is also a tax, but the difference is there. Tax means what? While purchasing a 1 kg of apple, we pay 90 rupees. The tax is already included in this 90 rupees. For example, if you purchase a site, 1 acre of site, then you have to pay separate tax to the government through taluku offices. That is called duty. This is direct, this is direct, this is indirect. Here we pay taxes immediately after the purchase. Here it has certain rules and regulations. Then we have to pay duties or tax to the government after a long period of time, after completion of our work. That is the difference between tax and duties. Thus, a good source of income, commerce is, or trade is, a good source of income to the government. Yes, if government get good income from this commerce or trade, then it is possible to do the economic development, to minimize poverty. Or government should provide various modern facilities to the poor or needy people. Thus, if the income of the government is increased, the speed of or rate of economic development is also increase. Income of the government is decrease, economic development is also decrease. Therefore, to improve the condition of the country, when trade and commerce plays a very important role. Now, the present situation of commerce, development of commerce during 21st century. How the commerce or trade or business improved or changed the whole world. 21st century is called the age of information technology, IT, BT. What is IT? Information technology. BT means biotechnology. Many students now prefer IT, BT sector. Why? To earn more salary. Yes, anyhow, 21st century is called the age of information technology. Then internet banking, mobile banking, privatization of insurance companies, advancement of telecommunication services, online shopping, e-commerce, better transportation facilities, then electronic media and technological advancement. Advancement means improvement. Advancement, the entire world has become the global village now. The whole world is like a village due to this modern technology. Multinational companies have spread their business in many countries. They help to increase production. MNCs helps to improve and also increase production and supply of goods to the world market. Now the whole world is like a market. These companies produce specialized goods on large scale and their prices are competitive. Qualitative products with the competitive price. Why there is competition? Because so many items are there in market. Same items, for example, hair oils or shampoo or toothbrush, so many companies are there. If companies are increased, price will decrease. There is competitive prices. Now the people will prefer where there is a low price, where they go and purchase their items. Therefore, whole world is now like a village. It is like a village market or local market. We can get any item through competitive price. On the whole, commerce is developing at a greater speed. At last we can say that commerce is developing in a greater fast. Sir M. Vishweshwaraya, we heard the name of Vishweshwaraya, a famous scientist. He told during the time of Mysore Wadayars, industrialization or perish. Without industries, without commerce, we will fail to reach our goal. Therefore, if you want economic development, if a country wants economic development, it should engage in business and commerce. Yes, that chapter is ended. Now the questions are there. 6 fill in the blanks and 1 to 6 1 marks or 2 marks question and 4 marks questions are there. 4 questions are there. See, for fill in the blanks, the first one answer. The economic activity that provides technical or specialized personal service to the consumer is called profession. In olden days, the goods were exchanged for goods, which was called barter system of exchange. The full responsibility of paper money vests with the central bank. Central bank means Reserve Bank. The emergence of communities and villages took place during a dash stage, agricultural stage. The main causes for international trade was geographical discovery. Trade and commerce contributes to the economic development of a country by paying dash and dash to the government. What is the answers? By paying taxes and duties. Yes, Sairam. Please write answers for all these questions in your notebook neatly. Sairam.